Hello everyone. In the last video, I just showed you how to write Scala and Python UDF in Zeppelin and use them in the Flink circle. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use Flink.udf.jars. The reason is that Zeppelin only supports Scala and Python. It doesn't support Java. So what if you would like to write UDF in Java? And what if the UDF is pretty complicated and you would like to write it in IDE? The answer is yes, you can do that in IDE and just import that jar via the flink.udf.jars. Now let's see a real example. So here is the link of the UDF that I have already write several Flink UDF in this repo. So here's the Flink UDF project. I have several UDF. Here is the Java app. Top 2 is table aggregate function. So now let's go to the Zeppelin. So in the last video, I just showed you how to read data from the Kafka. So here I still use the Kafka data source. But besides defining the flink.execution.packages, we also need to define this property, flink.udf.jars. So this jars is the Flink UDF jars of the project I just mentioned. So now let's run it. Yeah. Okay. So Zeppelin will automatically load this jar and detect all the UDF classes in this jar. We can check that. We can check that by run the show functions. Let's run that. Now you can see all the UDFs that is created in this Flink UDF project, and we can just use that UDF in the Flink circle. Now let's go to the first let's create this table. And then query this table. We can just use the Java app. Okay, run it. Okay, now we can see that this is also converted to uppercase, right? Okay, now so this is just show you how to use the UDF via the flink.udf.jar. You can write UDF in Java and in IDE, and you can import that jar in Zeppelin. Okay, thank you everyone.